world, mama praying for me every day, yeah. Too many homies killing you from the same hood, right? I'm ready, listen to my homies, yeah. And rest in peace to the homie, baby Joker, right? He got killed last Saturday, right? In front of his own family, and man, that shit is not right. Had a fucking ground and call that love, niggas said you killed my homie. They tryna ride, niggas said they tryna slide out, dog shit. I'm finna load these trucks up, nigga, like Bonnie and Clyde. I keep my hoodies on, creeping through these foggy streets. I got a cross with me, time I'm feeling pain, right? Mama said, baby, son, just stay up out the way, yeah. And keep your head up, niggas, say that no trust no one. But kid got up on your side and walk up in fake. I told my mama, my homies have a gun, and all I'm gonna run on more to with is gun violence. I keep my head up, so I'm walking outside the fake. I keep that Mac 11 on me, nigga, just in case. It's time to ride for my homie, just like Bonnie and Clyde. I know that chopper with the 53s, niggas said, and we got more guns, niggas said, and Call of Duty. I knocked them off, and niggas sit up off this bike, yeah. It be the same, nigga, cause it's so family. And told my mama I don't really need no love, right? Because they tired trying to play these politics straight. That's why I wake up in the morning, feel like fuck the world. I'm trying to get rich, shit with my homie, yeah. And rest in peace to my homie, baby Joker, yeah. It's little homie cousin, cause I'm from the same hood. That's why I'm ready to go to West Side City no more. I'm standing out the way. All my homies had to die, so I'm in my 69 and follow rolling around with that 9 on now. I got that 30 on that Glock 17, got that 38, nigga, with no shells fuck. And y'all the flip around the street like shit, we dying from the game, but I never know when my pops wanna walk up on me and trying to blast me right, yeah, be your worst enemy, yeah, we call that family. I really miss my homie, baby Joker, yeah, I can't believe he did and gone right from the trenches, yeah, I seen it all, yeah, I seen it all, you know, I thug it out and wake up in the morning, I already need no love, shit, from no bad bitch, and mama say you better watch who you call friends, cause these hoes, bitch, want you for your presence, right, I gotta turn around, hug my nigga, mama told her everything be alright, if this nigga bitch don't say, I really miss my homie, nigga, baby Joker, right, I with my nigga, was here to get this money with me, and what we gotta die, all up in this cold world, and now this moment gotta wear the black dress now. I'm tired of talking to my homie to this gray, I told my mama, can you please pray for me? I'm about to ride out for my homie, this like Bonnie and Clyde. I know that chopper, this like Bonnie and Clyde. Niggas leave these niggas dead up in that car about the red light for fucking with us. We from West Side City where we don't play. And rest in peace to baby Joker.